Welcome back to DadBuilt. Today I'm going to show you how I improved my laundry room space with some simple DIY upgrades. Stick around, I'll show you how I removed some old wire shelving, relocated a wall cabinet, installed a clothes hanging bar and a shelf, and added a subway tile accent wall. Check it out. If you're into DIY projects, please consider subscribing to DadBuilt. I post weekly videos of all kinds of projects that dads can tackle around the house. And if there's any project you'd like to see me do, just let me know in the comments. That's my brother Steven. He came over to help me relocate the wall cabinets, but first we gotta take down these old wire shelves. So we've got the old wire shelving taken down and the cabinets reinstalled above the washer and dryer. I don't know what happened, but I somehow deleted the footage of us uninstalling and reinstalling those cabinets. So we're gonna have to settle for some footage of me talking about the process of removing the cabinets. But now that that space is clear, I've got room to install a clothes hanging bar combined with a new shelf. It's gonna give us a functional, good looking place to hang clothes right out of the dryer. Now for one of my favorite parts of this flip, adding a subway tile accent wall. This not only adds a good looking design element, but it also provides a durable and easy to clean surface in a room that can often get damp and messy. My main concern was functionality with this flip, but when I took the cabinets off the wall, I realized that if I just put up a clothes hanging bar and a shelf, that wall was going to look pretty bare bones. So I landed on the idea of using subway tile because they do add a little bit of functional element to the space, and it's going to restore a feeling of design. My last step was to add some decor to make this room more inviting. I had this canvas wall hanging lying around, so it felt like this would be a good home for it. But my wife is definitely the main designer at our house, so I'm gonna leave the rest of this project to the pro. And I'm all done. With just a bit of DIY knowledge, I've completed this functional flip of our laundry room. This project was never about style. I wanted to maximize the utility of this space. Adding a subway tile accent wall that improves the look was a great bonus. Thanks for joining me on this project. If you enjoyed this flip and found it helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to DadBuilt DIY for more great projects like this. I'll see you next time.